Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it's not showing contact names and it only shows numbers. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Now go to the top right, tap on the three dots right here. Now go ahead and tap on settings. Scroll down a bit, tap on app updates, enable auto update for your WhatsApp app. Okay. Now, once that's done, go ahead and find your App Store, Play Store. Search WhatsApp. Now, if there is available update, just go ahead and install it. And once done, don't open it up yet. Go ahead and find the app icon. Tap and hold if you're using Android. Information icon right here. Tap on it and tap on permissions. Okay. If contacts isn't listed right here under the allowed section, if it's right here under not allowed, just tap on it and just tap on allow. Okay. If you're using iOS, just go ahead over to the app section and just do the same. Allow the contacts permissions. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix this issue. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.